If you think your computer isn't being updated automatically, there are a couple of quick fixes we can look at, and hopefully this will resolve the problem for you. First thing to do, take the pointer down to the search box and type in troubleshoot, and then click on the troubleshooting settings. We're going to go down to additional troubleshooters, left click once. Here we can troubleshoot various issues you may be experiencing with your computer. We're going to click on Windows Update and left click once on that. Left click once on the troubleshooter. Run the troubleshooter. Windows will now attempt to find the issue on your computer and hopefully will repair it automatically. Hopefully Windows Update Troubleshooter will have found the problem and fixed it for you. But if not, no fear, we can try something else. Let's close the Update Troubleshooter down. And we'll close this settings page down as well. Let's get down to the search box and type in Services. Left click on Services. Once the Services panel opens, we're going to take the scroll bar and we're going to scroll down to Windows Update. Click on Windows Update. Right click on Windows Update and select Properties, left click once. Where it says Startup Type, left click onto it and then highlight Automatic and left click once. Click on Apply, click on OK. Click on Stop the Service. Now we're going to click on Start the Service. We've now stopped the Windows Update service and we've restarted it. Let's go back and see if that makes any difference. Close the service panel down. Go back to the search box and type in Update. Left click on Check for Updates. Now try clicking on Check for Updates again and hopefully this will have resolved the issue for you. If it hasn't resolved the issue, there may be many other reasons why your Windows Update isn't working. First things first is to make sure that you're actually on the internet. So make sure that your internet connection is working properly. Beyond that, there are other troubleshooting steps that we can perform, a little bit more complicated than what I've shown you, and I'll save that for another video.